APICET 2023 application form has been released online at cets.apchg.ap.gov.in. Candidates willing to appear for Andhra Pradesh Integrated Common Entrance Test must fill the application form on or before the last date. Candidates filling the application form post the last date will have to pay the late fee of Rs 1000, 2000, 3000 or 5000 as per the schedule. Shiksha here brings you the step-by-step guide on how to fill the AP ICET 2023 application form. First, visit the given website. To begin with the filling of the application form, now click on the tab Eligibility Criteria and Fee Payment. Check the box if you have fulfilled the prescribed eligibility criteria of AP ICET exam. Now start filling the personal details, that is qualifying exam degree hall ticket number, name, date of birth, mobile number, alternate mobile number, email ID to receive the OTP, category. Now on choosing the payment method, screen will display the application fee category wise. Click on the tab Verify Email and Pay and enter the OTP sent on the registered email address. Enter the payment details. On successful transaction, visit the home page of AP ICET 2023 and click on the tab Know Your Payment Status. Enter the qualifying examination hall ticket number and mobile number to check your payment status. When the status is shown as success, note the payment reference ID and candidate can proceed to fill the detailed application form. On the home page, now click on the tab Step 3, that is to fill the application form. Now enter your login credentials, that is payment reference ID, qualifying examination hall ticket number, mobile number and date of birth. Candidates can now start filling the application form by entering the personal details and educational details. Upload the photograph which is less than 50 KB and scanned signature that is less than 30 KB. On completing the application form, click on the tab Save and Preview. Preview the details entered and now click on the tab Save and Freeze. Finally, save the filled application form and take the print of the same for future reference.